If you also want that no one can track your location, then turn on this setting in WhatsApp right now. Go to WhatsApp settings, then go to privacy settings. Then scroll down and go to advanced settings. Here you will find two options: protect IP address in calls and disable link preview. By enabling protect IP address, your IP address will become secure, and then no one will be able to track your location during a WhatsApp call. But the call quality might be a little lower, as it is mentioned here. And by enabling disable link preview, any link that you receive in WhatsApp chats from any unknown person will not show its preview. And this way, your location will not be tracked. When this option is enabled, the link will be shown simply like this. When it is disabled, it will be shown like this. And by having the link preview, your approximate location can be tracked. So, enable both these settings and stay safe.